Feeling lost trying to turn your digital Ethereum into real-world cash? This guide will break down exactly how to cash out your Ethereum, step by step, minimizing fees and helping you understand the process. First, choose an exchange platform. Why Euro popular options include Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Gemini. Make sure the platform supports both Ethereum trading and fiat currency withdrawals to your bank account. Once you've chosen your exchange, log into your account, or create one if needed. Then, navigate to the trade section. This might be labeled trade, exchange, or convert. Select the trading pair ETH, USD, or whichever fiat currency you prefer, like EUR or GBP. Then, place a sell order for the amount of Ethereum you want to cash out. You can choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to sell at a specific price. After your sell order is filled, your account will now hold the equivalent amount in your selected fiat currency. Next, initiate a withdrawal. Go to the withdrawal section, usually found in your account settings. Select your bank account or preferred withdrawal method, like PayPal. If available, enter the withdrawal amount and carefully review the details, including any associated fees. Confirm the withdrawal, and typically within a few business days, the funds should appear in your bank account. Finally, remember to keep records of all your transactions for tax purposes. Consult a tax professional to understand any potential tax implications in your region. Now you can enjoy the benefits of your Ethereum investment in the real world.